So guys, on my last video, I have shown you just how to use the guideline in order to draw a portrait, and I had drawn the outline of his face as you can see here, right? Now, what I am going to do here today is I am going to give the basic idea of shading. So this is my technique actually. Whenever I do any form of shading or something, I just like to uh, give an idea to it first, because I need to be very clear where I need to put the shade and where I need to keep the light. So accordingly, I will be doing. My next step I will be showing you in the next video definitely, because in the next step I will be doing watercolor. Now, why I do watercolor is this idea which I had placed on the paper with a pencil. If I keep it for 1 day or 2 day, then this particular because it is done with a graphite pencil, so it may not stick to their place. So what I do is I put watercolor in it so that it becomes a bit permanent, and I can remember where the shade or where I can shade it, or where I can keep it, where I can keep the light. And moreover, in some of the areas where I want the maximum area to be shaded, then generally I use the black watercolor there. You will be able to understand while you watch the video. So watch this video carefully, because you will be able to get the idea of how you can place the shading. You can see my pencil, the strokes of the pencil which I am keeping while shading is light. It's still light. So in the last video I told you that while you are drawing, you should keep your pencil very soft over the surface. It shouldn't be hard, because once it becomes harder, then if you want to make some corrections, you will not be able to make it. So similarly here also I am doing it just for the idea. I'm not started doing the shading part. It's just an idea I have given. So definitely because of that reason, I am going very soft, and the shade is very light here. By the end of the video, you will be able to see the basic areas where I will be shading, so my idea would be created accordingly. If you watch this video carefully, I'm definitely sure that you can use this technique in any of the portrait or sketching a portrait. It will help you a lot. So now I am working on the specs, you can see. So I hope you are able to get it. The basic idea I have drawn here, I have shown. Now I am working on the eye area where I want the shade to happen. Isn't it amazing, guys, that with the help of the tools you can create a 2D or a 2D object, of course a 2D idea, and you can give a three-dimensional form to it, and that is the power of art. A blank paper can get converted into a masterpiece. So that is indeed a great thing about being an artist, I feel. I hope you will also agree along with me. So guys, anyone who is interested to order your portrait or any of the art stuffs, because I do portraits, I make caricatures as well, and I will be showing you live. I will be making a video where I will be drawing caricatures. You will get an idea about how a caricature could be. And I should say you guys that giving a caricature as a gift to any of your loved one would be real fun, because the person will also like it. Definitely making a portrait also people likes, but if you make a caricature, it gives a different depiction. And if you're giving it a gift as in a birthday or in a very special occasions, then I feel that the caricature works really well in these cases. So I have myself gifted caricature to many of my friends and relatives. So I have recorded their expression towards it. I have experienced it, and on the basis of that only I am telling, because when you gift anyone, if you give caricature as a gift, it would be a very unique gift, and not everyone would think to give it. So if you are interested to give a gift like caricature, you can definitely give it. And yes, I also take orders for comic as well. So I do inking, I do storyboarding, I make a comic of my own. Now I'm planning to make my own comic. You will also be able to see that in the upcoming videos. I will be uploading the idea of it. I will be sharing how I make comics and how I do it. Even I have some interesting ideas about gifting a person their comic, because it would be another beautiful way of giving a gift. So in order to gift anyone, if you are interested to make portraits, you are interested to make caricature, you want to make a theme-based comic for a particular person or persons, then you can directly contact me. I will be sharing my mail ID after you comment in the video. So I'm ready for taking the orders, guys. So don't hesitate to put yours. Yeah. Moreover, the interesting part about shading or giving the base idea is that when you look at it, you won't feel that it would give a good result, because it requires a lot of patience, guys. When you are drawing something, you require a lot of patience to continue making it. Okay, because quite often we have an intention to complete the work, and we do hurry in those cases. So we need not to do hurry in that. We can be very slow. We can try to understand the distribution of light and shade, and slowly we can prepare it. So I am making this portrait for one competition. So that is the reason I need to work patiently on it. So I cannot be hurry in this case, because if I try to be hurry, then the portrait would be messed out, and it might not look great in terms of a portrait. So you can see that I am working very slowly, and if you are interested, you can also you can also learn it, that how exactly you can just try my technique as well. You can try your own technique, but you can also see how am I making it. If you have just started to draw, you can definitely understand the importance of sketching or giving a basic idea. So my rough idea is completed here, guys. See you in the next video.